Hi, this is Cindy from VintageToNew. Have you ever wanted to put a hand-sewn hem in the bottom of a garment? Well, this is the video for you. It's really quick, really easy, and this is how I've always done it. So without delay, let's just get started right away. Start with your hem. The first thing I did is went over and I ironed up a 1/2 inch. So you see that 1/2 inch right there. Then I found a cardboard box, a cereal box, but you could use anything, and it was 2 inches in the spine of the box, and I slid it up under this 1/2 inch, flipped it up like this, and then I pressed that 2 inch. So that's a 2.5 inch hem, and as I went along, I put pins in it to hold it. So my whole hem is pressed with that 1/2 inch and then 2 inches, and it's pinned into place. Okay, so I have threaded my needle. I put one long string through, put a knot in the end, so it's double thread. You could do single thread, but I always like to use double thread, and I used my beeswax. Just put your thumb on it, run it through your beeswax like this, just real simple. That really does make a big difference in how the thread goes through the fabric. All right, so I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna turn my fabric this way. All right, so I'm going to start with my knot, so it will be in the back. Come up like so, and then just do one little catch in the front right there. So there's my start. And then I'm gonna take the thread, put it over here, hold it with my thumb, and go maybe 1/2 inch. Take a little tiny flea bite of the front fabric, just the tiniest little nick of the fabric, and then back through the fold and pull it tight. Okay, then back over with my thumb. This pin's in the way, about a 1/2 inch. So just like that, and you just keep going all the way down. So just a tiny nick up through the fold of the fabric, and just keep going. And this will probably take me 5 minutes to do this entire hem. All right, so you just keep going until you go all the way across. And because I have it folded and pressed and pinned, it's going to go really fast. So I'll see you at the other end. Okay, as you're going down and you run out of thread, take a stitch just like you normally would, hold it with your thumb, and then catch just the bottom like you normally would, and then catch just this bottom hem piece. Don't go through to the front, but this bottom hem, and knot it off. I always do 2 knots, so back just to the hem piece that's in the back and make a knot like that, and then take your thread and go down inside this hem, pull it out, give it a clip, and then start another piece of thread and finish the hem. And you would just start the same way you did, by just being in this hem piece in the back. So the only time any stitches show in the front are when you catch that little flea bite when you're going down. So here is our hem with it being sewn in by hand, and all you can see is these little tiny flea bites all the way across the bottom, and using this cardboard to help us press that was really fun, and it really made it easy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this was Cindy from VintageToNew.